Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be working on a special project. I cut up my wedding dress and I took all of the lace off of the dress. Look at that big old giant pile. And on the bodice I had this medallion like cluster, and it was yellowed. So I remembered that I had this in under my ironing station. And this is supposed to remove stuff like this, I hope. So it says dissolve a half a teaspoon in 1 tablespoon and a half in a filled bathtub. So 1 tablespoon. And then use only 1 tablespoon per large load. For best results, run an empty load before initial use to remove any leftover soap residue wash tub. Doesn't say whether to do it in hot water or warm water. So I'm going to go get some warm water and I'll be right back. Okay, I got water in here. Now I need a measuring spoon to open this up. Wait, do you really think 1 tablespoon is going to work? I gotta close this so I don't spill it. Alright. Here's how yellow it is. So I'm just going to cover this up and we will come back and look at it later, I guess. See what happens. Doesn't say how long to let it soak. It's low sudsing. It's just washing soda, something alcohol, and sodium silicate. Whatever that stuff means. Alright. Fingers crossed, guys. Because I really want to use that lace for the quilt that I'm going to make. Okay. I thought we could have a look at the fabric we've been soaking in the RetroWash. It's not, it didn't do much except accentuate the yellow, I think. This is what it kind of looked like before. Can you tell a difference? I can't tell a difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rest of this lace here. Put it in here. And I'm going to add a cap of bleach. I should say this has been soaking 24 hours. So I'm going to put a cap full of bleach in. Give that a good swish. And we'll see if we can get this to lighten up. I'll check it in about 8 hours, I think. Maybe if it's still this yellow, I'll add another cap. But you got to be really careful. I don't want it to eat it. So, alright. We'll see you later. Let's check the fabric, or the lace, one last time. We're still yellow. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to get this cleaned up or not. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a little bit. RetroWash, big thumbs down. You can see the water is a little bit dirty, but it just didn't clean like I was hoping it would. So I will go on to the next quest, looking to see if I can get rid of this yellowing. Thanks guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share if you care to. I appreciate all of your support. I love your comments. If you have had any success in getting your lace to brighten back up, please let me know because I want to try it. So far, RetroWash, which was supposed to be the ultimate when I bought the stuff long time ago, don't know if it has a shelf life. Maybe it does. It didn't say on the package. But anyway, till next time, love you. Bye bye.